was like, because they videotaped getting the diploma and then like you walking down the stairs. So I went like this with the diploma. Right. So and then another kid, what is it? B, right? Yeah. Another kid, because we don't get the diploma in it, we just get the little like folder, and you get it in the mail. Yeah. And one kid goes like this. He opens it, looks at it, goes, and then keeps walking because he knew he wasn't getting it. He was just fucking with the camera. And he actually graduated in his underwear.
No way. Yeah. Oh, underneath the thing?
Yeah.
That's so funny. Oh wait, maybe this is the right way.
This is where the Capra Demon is.
I don't fucking remember at all. Just kill these guys.
Try. Being very defensive.
No, but basically I picture it, you being like that face, like that yellow face on the internet with like the eyes looking over and like that big, you know what I mean? Like
there's this
emoji face.
When fuck you dumb dick.
Kill him.
When I went to New York and spreaded the good word of TinyArcade, I was with my little Miss Honey.
Miss Honey Boo Boo Child.
She might be on the channel. I don't know. She's never.
Nope, wrong way. Do not go down this way.
Why?
Because those guys will fuck you up.
No, they won't.
You have like no health. I would
fine.
Definitely heal.
That's cool, homie. I'm just until you find the way.
I'm
Come
doing
on.
it.
You got a peekaboo. They were shooting for a TV show that was now on MTV. It's called Broke Ass Game Show. I remember I asked the camera guy. I was like, "Hey, what is this for?" And he goes, "He's so like I should just know what he's doing." He's like, "Oh, it's the Broke Ass Game Show." I'm like, "Okay, thanks."
Fuck?
And they did
those people and
some guy didn't want to be on camera, so they put a smiley face over him. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah. Basically, just like an emoji face, we can like cover.
Yeah, I can. I just
remember you sent one picture.
Yeah, it was me doing the Queen wave.
Yeah,
because we were like lining up to get our diploma. So
and
I did
you were like on
wave.
that big screen.
That's what I'm talking about. I was on that.
Oh,
hello! I'm not paying. Stop! I'm telling a story.
Oh, you have the blue tear stone ring though. I would this though. Like, now. Eesh. Nope. Never mind.
Help me.
Help. This now. This. There you go. Smart.
Oh!
Back up!
I'm trying to use
lower end
the fucking background, bitch.
Nice.
Oh, okay. I thought he Estes.
Yeah, we want to go this way.
What was I gonna say? So when I was in line to get my diploma, that's when I did the like Queen wave. You know, like you put your hand in like a kind of like a curve and you kind of like twist your.
You're not really moving your arm at all.
It's kind of funny.
And then, just looked like you were like.
I didn't give a shit. Nobody gave a shit. It was such a joke. It was so hot.
Yeah.
Nobody cared.
No, I know actually.
And then everybody had their like. A lot of people just like got their diploma, didn't give a shit about like looking at the camera. I did not expect that.
Like smiling at the camera.
Nobody like looked at it. Some people were like too nervous to do something.
Yeah.
That's what you heard. That's what you hearing. And so I thought of something to do. I was like, I gotta do something funny. I gotta do something.
That was solid.
But that was on the spot. But then
go to the right.
Then I thought of doing something when I got my diploma, because they videotaped you getting the diploma and then walking down the stairs.
Whoa!
Hello.
Oh right.
And so what I did is I like did my like, I got it. Here I am. I got it, motherfucker. No thanks to you,
bitch. To the left.
Is there somebody to the left of me? I'm a little afraid.
Behind you.
Yep, I knew it.
I knew it.
So I don't believe that I am completely ready. Just opening up WebStorm now. But I gotta grab off camera. I gotta grab the files from. There's all this other stuff that I was working on a while ago. I don't even. It doesn't even ring a bell. But off. I just gotta. Fuck. Hold on. So another thing that I kind of want to do is just to set up music, media source, add, video game music, add existing source. Is it usually 27.5? Is that good enough? Probably a little lower. I will make it 30.7. Anyway, so I got a remote on to. I got a remote onto. For fuck's sake. That's not what I wanted. Okay. So I can get the files for what we've been working on. Fuck, I don't even know where I saved those. And then we can be on our very merry way and continue what we're working on. So I am not comfortable in React to say that I know it. I get the gist, but practice makes perfect, and I am definitely not there yet. So that being said, this is a way for me to practice React, to stream it live, to fix up the universal remote. And so once that's good and going, for fuck's sake, why won't you open? Open recent. It is on. I put it under WebStorm. Because then we gotta spin up React again. I wonder if it's even worth setting this up so I can work on it on my laptop and my desktop using some sort of management system, one of those what do you call it? I'm totally blanking on the name. It's something as simple as blanking on the name. I don't think change management is what I'm trying to say. Management software. What's the one that I'm thinking of? Management software. I don't know. I don't know why I'm completely... well. Source tree is what I'm thinking of. What do you call source tree? I'm thinking maybe we should work this onto GitHub and have it managed with source tree. That way I can work on it in 2 places, but I guess for now, for the sake of time, let's just oops. Oh, this is fucking terribly proportioned. There. Close this. Let's get the project from our laptop. WebStorm projects? I don't fucking see that. WebStorm projects. Okay. We should grab that. And there should be something already on this PC. WebStorm projects. So hopefully this doesn't take too long. Only because I'm doing it over RDP instead of a faster transferring software. Fucking 17 minutes. It says that there's 4 people on YouTube, but I don't understand if that's true or not. I think it's all fucked up. There's no way. I can't believe allergens are already out and about in a boot, because my eyes are already getting irritated. So while that transfers, I don't know, what can we do? Holy shit. I hope that dies down soon. Bump back up to 40. So I guess let's make sure React is good to go. I guess we can't really, because the only what we did before was we used that start React library, and it kind of just made things work once we ran the local server. Write code in the browser. This is the quickest way to get started. Starter code. List. React has a few different kinds of components, but we'll start with React.component subclasses. So where's that? So class shopping list extends React.component. And then you got a header of shopping list 4 and this prop's name. And then you got a list. So that creates a component. Go to the funny XML like tags soon. Yeah, what XML tags? I don't even. Rack will officially update and re-render our components. Shopping list is a React component class. Okay, so it is. So it extends. So I guess you cast it as a component. Turns a description of what you want to see on the screen. React takes the description, displays the result. In particular, render returns a React element. I knew that. For then anybody who's watching, Bucky over at New Boston has a really good tutorial for React. If you enjoy being called a hoss, whatever that might mean. So check that out. That's I mean, a lot of it's been lost because I haven't been practicing, but if I've learned anything, it's been from New Boston. I think that's what it's called. I'd like to meet him if he's actually in Boston. That'd be kind of cool. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Shout out to yourtechworks.net. New Boston. He's right here. He had an update video in 2010. It's funny. He's got a lot of good free content, so definitely check out your boy Bucky. I'm assuming he's from Boston by the name, but I don't know. The other free code campers or whatever, code campers, yeah, they have a. Did I put Boston? Why did I put Boston? Free code camp? Oh, okay. They have a lot of good content for free. Their YouTube channel has a lot. That's something to check out. But anyway, I'm trying to think what else we can do. Inspecting the starter code. Send out other props. Let's try passing some data from our board component to our square component. We strongly recommend typing code by hand as you're working through the tutorial and not using copy paste. No, I know. I don't understand why a lot of people try and teach me by suggesting to just copy things. I think that's probably the worst way you can learn anything. You don't get the muscle memory that you should be getting. But this is ridiculous. Why am I doing this? Let me delete this. It's taking way too long. Only 36 megs transferred over. Let me try and get this the correct way. I want to map a network drive, I guess. I'll do that off camera. I thought I already had something set up. Documents, maybe? to laptop. Security. Yes. Control. Okay, so that's open to me, so I can potentially come over here and sorry, I'm hoping this won't take too long. I'm wondering if it has to do with what network I'm on, because I can't seem to fucking reach. Connecting to the Wi-Fi and see if that gives me... I don't know why it's the same LAN. Oh, still nothing. It won't let me access it. Can I even ping it? 688. Nope, I can't ping it. What are we here? Oh, it's... I know what the fuck it is. It's so stupid. It's the firewall. Grab that. Let me try it now. There. What the fuck? Okay. So it was the fucking firewall the whole time. Which is fine, but it just sucks that it won't let me fucking do anything in the time being. This is still gonna take a long time. Not nearly as long, but that 6 minutes original, I guess it's not so bad. But it could be better. Anything could be better. Has there been no mic? I guess I don't hear myself. But I guess I didn't catch myself when I was talking. I guess one thing to add to my agenda would be to string along music so it's not always the same fucking stuff. Where are we here? Yeah, at least it's not going to be 22 hours. It's only 84 megs. So if that is at 30.7, I'm kind of curious. I went and checked out other fucking streams to see what other people are doing. There's an ex-NASA guy and working on something. He was like muttering stuff. I guess I'm muttering stuff as well, but okay. So the transfer finished. I went to go stretch out my balls because with this PC and the PlayStation's off, but with the PC underneath me, wearing pajama pants, my balls start to get razzled and frazzled and everything in between. So I now have to figure out where the fuck I put something called desktop to laptop, because at one point, there it is. I was gonna say at one point I thought I would remember that I set up a share so I can quickly transfer shit between my laptop and my desktop, but I didn't quickly remember it. Now we need to move this over to WebStorm projects. WebStorm projects. There. So that's gonna take another minute. At the moment, the moment this gets up, I will open up the project, open up the original app and start to kind of brainstorm. I kind of want to look into web development, plan board, I don't know, board, planning board. Is there like comprehensive website planning guide? No software. Best 9 web design project management software built for designers. No. Just like a way to look at it. Update intranet site branding to match new corp website. I mean, this is like projecting the things that I'd like to do, and so it's in the right idea, but in terms of like drawing it out and having like a picture of my idea, whiteboard software. There's a whiteboard free software. No, I don't want desktop. Oh, I wouldn't mind if it was online. Microsoft Whiteboard for Windows. Do I have to pay for it? I don't love Windows things. I mean, they mean well, but they just... The best interactive whiteboard for schools and universities. I just want to draw something that gets the point across so I can refer to it later. Online whiteboard software. App? No. Real-time board is I think what I was thinking of, but it's pricey at this point. They kind of took off. Oh. Is now called Miro. A new brand? Weird. I'm curious if any of my stuff real time. Can I make one more real time board? I at one point isn't verified. It's fine. I at one point was using it. Something went wrong. Fortunately, we couldn't authorize a Google Drive. Please try later or contact. Well, that's good. That's good that them updating and getting a cool ass name, they no longer support it in the in Drive. So more apps. Whiteboard. Whiteboard. So they have a Miro thing now. Whiteboard for collaboration, whiteboard for remote teams, visual project management tool to develop your ideas and projects with online. What's the difference? Simplest virtual or visual collaboration platform for agile project teams. So I have it, but no. Is it because I have real-time board? Is that what's fucking it up? Miro. Which put up a dialogue telling me the native app could be faster, and still the native app takes a long time to load and isn't faster. I wouldn't mind having something in I lost respect for you, Miro. Concept board? I potentially already have it. Potentially already have Jamboard. I potentially tried to use all these things even though I don't see them. Concept board. I think concept board stopped working as well. But I also don't think it's what I want it to be. Yeah, no, not gonna work. Fuck. Okay, well, I guess we can use paint for fuck's sake. So let's open our project. Let me get a gist of what we're looking at. staring at that. Open. Storm projects and I don't see it. What the fuck? I swear I just moved it there. Users. I don't see it. Oh, okay. This one now. Okay, so we are now need to move over to do it off screen. So CD. So we're in CD. WebStorm projects universal remote and then node start, I think. What is it? Node. No, what? We're not using node at all. Why would I say that? Start. Start React server. It's npm. Is it just npm start? It is. Error. Am I not? I don't think I'm in the right. I don't think I'm in the right directory. After playground. Yeah, I think I have to move to playground. npm start. Okay, React script start. Okay. So I will let my private network deal with that. Hopefully it starts soon. Okay. So there's the basic app. Now we need to, now everything's cannot run git, file not found, git.exe, cool, whatever. Now that we are on my desktop, what now? So the other thing I was saying is that I would open up original code, node, public, index. So here's the original app. Just a series of buttons, a simple PNG with buttons on top of it. It's stupid. It can be, there's a lot more that can be done with this. Oh, you can't really see it. It's getting cropped off, whatever. Hold on. I'll keep it in this browser. I don't enjoy everything personal being broadcasted. There. Okay. Ultimately, I'd like to get this to be React because it doesn't look good. I just feel like React has more potential to have it more automated. Anyway, so let's What is this about? Set up React with Node.js server proxy with Twilio. That sounds amazing, but something we should work on later. One thing at a time. Okay, so when it comes to Playground, import React from React. Logo is that image source logo. Import logo from logo SVG. Okay, so that's where the spinning logo comes from, and this bracket is importing it from the source. Equals that. So I guess you could just do that from import and give it a class of app logo. Alternatively, gave it logo. How is it spinning though? Oh, it must be part of the SVG. So that's probably nothing important. And then it's letting me know that it's saying if anything is to be done, we edit app.js and save to reload. Okay, so potentially I mean, can I do something like import remote from? No, because it's not in this folder. It just gets kind of stupid. If I were to go up a thing, can I just do this? And then original code. I just broke it already. Why did it do that anyway? Oh, I meant to do that. I'll quote that off. Original public. And then Visio remote.png. So just quote the whole thing. Why is this? Oh, that's not what I want. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Fucking. Okay. Take that. Remote from it's the wrong way. I don't know if you can go up a step like that, but I'm gonna fucking try anyway, I guess. Let's see. No, broke it. Attempt to import, which fails outside of the project src directory. I'm just gonna move it over. Source? I don't even... Yeah, that's what it is. The other thing is I didn't fucking specify the name of the file. PNG. What the fuck? Why is that breaking? It's not broken because Visio Remote exists, unused, and then source logo, class name, and then so the logo is used here, called app logo. Remote app remote. So that's how you import a file using React. Look at that fucking, I like how it has all the lint on it. It's just a stock photo I found from Google. It's got all the lint. So that's how you import a file. So what's going on here? We're rendering this little function right here. This little love right here. This render function is returning our image file, which is imported here. So it's kind of like HTML JavaScript, but you're making a function that does all the rendering. Is what I say. Okay, now what else can we do to get some change size of React image? Div style app blue, no. It's not an icon, is it? No. Change size of image with React. Image resizing in React Native. I'm trying to resize an image smaller to fit the screen in my React Native app, but I'm unable to do it as it is too big. Here's my code. Image autofix the view. If you answer, this worked for me. That's what someone said to his plea. Image source equals that last name. Can I aspect ratio? Oops. Yeah, what if I do something like that? Does not like that. Sam I am. Does not like that. Green eggs and ham. No, that didn't do anything. React.JS part 1, client side. using something called Cropper. Not what I would want to use. Okay, well this is not in the right direction anyway. Let's just get rid of this. And then this will say it's unused. Okay, cool, whatever. My fucking stomach is killing me because I'm leaning on it. In case anybody wanted to know. I'm gonna take a fucking second and sit back. Hold on. Okay, so one thing I'd like to figure out is how to fucking get it so the music doesn't keep changing every time I change this source. I guess that's for another day. I decided to move things strictly to Streamlabs so I don't have to set it up every time, but in doing so I can't change the music. It's always gonna just start over once I change the scene. But okay, let's see. Where are we? No.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm totally useless for this right now. I'm probably no good for streaming this so late and after drinking, but I think I'm just gonna stop. The React DevTools extension for Chrome and Firefox lets you inspect a React component tree with the browser development tool. So it's very parent and childlike, whereas Square in the game. Yep, no good. Okay, bye.